This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Ultralight 2410RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This used Highland Ridge is 28 feet 3 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Ultralight 2410RL is 5,796 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Ultralight 2410RL. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.